folks, and welcome back. It's the Friday Workshop Walkaround, and as promised, I'll give you something special. The thing is special is me in my funky Merry Christmas suit. Ooh, baby. Right, okay, so let's go and see what we've got in the shop. Right, what have I got? There's Hayden. Look, even Hayden's looking all festive. Woo! Right, okay, I'll quick look at the computer. There's an Harley coming in today for a pair of tyres. Sam's is coming in for a pair of tyres. 4 MOTs. It's our last day before we close for Christmas. So, it's quite a bit of work to do still. Got a Sean's motor to finish off. Just got the oil and filter change on that. Andy's is still waiting patiently. Costa's, right, so you saw the clutch. Did you see the clutch on the pictures? Ooh, very nasty. So I've had to order a clutch. It's having a pair of tyres as well. But as with all new wet clutches, you've got to soak the plates. So the plates were put in soak yesterday. So, but I don't think we'll be managed to get that back together today. So that might have to wait till we get back. Nigel's, the insurance has been out, assessed that. So we've just got to wait for them to give us the go-ahead on whatever we're doing with that. Gary's dropped his 2 bikes off from the other side of Manchester, which is a couple hours away from here, for anybody that doesn't know. He wants me to do it because he just loves my smile, loves my wonderful smile. And he likes all the stuff that we put on the Facebook, and he can see that we do the job properly because there's pictures of everything we do. Well, everything I do. What else have we got? So yeah, tyres, clutch, finish the service, but I don't think that'll be today. Waiting on the assessment to get back for that. They're 2 leaving in Weirs. They're in for full service on that one, silver service on that one. Couple of bits to trim up, make nicer on the XJR. Couple of bolts to swap. That has also got a brake issue, sticking slightly. Oh, yes, and even though we're closed today, I will be driving to Leeds tomorrow to drop off the J6R. That's pretty much all she wrote, folks. So we will be closing for the Christmas period. Let me just explain this to you. Right, so I'm not too close there. Right, so we'll be closing for the Christmas period today. 5 p.m. today, I close. Although I am obviously delivering a bike tomorrow, I won't be in the shop officially, and I'm not back till the 5th of January. The phone will be on call divert, so I'll still be able to take bookings and make all your bookings. You can still book online for your MOTs, but you'll have to ring me for any service work or anything like that. Like I say, it'll still be on call divert. The only days I probably won't be answering it at all, I'll be honest, I'm going to turn my phone off, will be Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and Boxing Day. The rest of the time, call the number 01302 364 311. You'll be able to get through straight to me in reasonable hours, obviously, and I'll answer your phone. I'll answer the phone, and we'll take your booking, get you sorted, get you in the diary. Other than that, I wish everybody a fantastically Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.